Hello, hi everyone, this is Samuel Chukun. Today we're gonna see how we create a web page that which we're gonna using the JavaScript, the HTML using CSS and JavaScript. Here we're gonna create a BMI calculator and tossing a coin in which how it have been in the flag order. That which we, if we give the number, it have to be shown how many flags in order that which we have been in the number. How I mean, if we enter the how many rows and how many columns, the image have been image have to be shown in that numbers and the weight indicator. I mean the BMI that which we have given. So, and coin flipping. Here we're gonna see the experiment for that. And the conversion of from kgs to pounds, pounds to kilograms. Here we're gonna see the code for that. Yeah. Here start with HTML. I'll give the title and basic everything, and script exercise file. And one more thing, here we're gonna create in this experiment. Here we're gonna create a JavaScript file, that which, and we're gonna link it here. As you can see, script src equal to 5 jar name of the JavaScript file, and have to given here head body everything will have been set, and also finding the number of words. I mean, if we give anything or a string like a name or anything like that, it have to be sent how many values have been. I mean, how many letters or words have been, letters in the word. Here for that, enter the string. Here it will show the how actually it will for the input. Here input equal to id word type text type name and the value. Here we can give all this, and it have to be shown on when we click only. It have to be shown on when we click the button. So we have to use on click button, on click function, that is click button. Line 1 length of the word and largest word and smallest word. Here we can see if we enter the string, this is gonna show all these details that which we have entered all regarding the length of the word, largest, smallest word like that. And next one we have BMI calculator. Here you can see the for BMI calculator, BMI your weight equal to, your weight input type. I mean, here we're gonna enter a weight, and it's going to calculate that your weight and height. If we enter your details of that, it's gonna calculate how much that you have been weight in that input button. The calculate everything that happened. Your BMI equal to input type text, BMI size 10, and this means input type text, that meaning is 25. It will, I mean, there is one more button called reset, that will start. I mean, again we can enter that everything here for next. For weight conversion, here we're gonna file set the weight conversion. Here we're gonna see convert input type and text id data. We're gonna create a id for that, and have given here select id from and pounds and kilos. I mean, if we give the value in pounds, it will convert into kilos, and if you give the value as pounds, it will convert into the kilos. Select to here we can see kilos and pounds, pounds and kilos. For that we can see here all the things, how it have been button on click. When on click only it have to be executed here, so we'll use the on click website, on click site for this. Here for we can see here. And next for this flipping a coin, if we take a coin and toss it, we can see two there is probability of two images that which two probability of two sides that which we're gonna see in the coin. Here one is head and one is tails. Here you can see number of flip performed. I mean, how many times you need to perform, we can perform, and heads count. It will show the how many times you will flip that. It will take that how many head count and tail count, the flipping of the coin. It have been shown, and it gives the result here. Now the CSS for this is just background. Basic CSS is have been done here. Background has like as front from. Next coin. Next button. For the button we are going to use some different type of padding, colors, display lines, and everything like that. Here we have used hover, pressure and animation. Here we have used on animation and keyframe here also. And but main thing that we're gonna see is JavaScript. Here JavaScript function, we have to declare the function array as a varchar var and will string. We are getting everything. I mean, how much length it have been, then how it have to be largest. For document get element by ID, we will get the element. To get the element, we can use this element. One more thing, while giving everything, we'll use the capital letters here. You can see here. We, here you can see like that, by element by ID. By this way, we all use the capital letters in the JavaScript. It's mandatory for using the capital letters here. And especially word dot split and largest split rail length and smallest split rail length for varchar I equal to split rail length. Here we're gonna see how it have been done. All the things been length largest, if it will be largest, how it will be there. How much we also used else if condition here. If not, as that we're gonna give the smallest also. How it what is the smallest number that which we are gonna input string. Here we're gonna see all this. Yeah. Where this length get element by ID, and we're gonna see how much what is the length of this and largest and smallest for this document dot get element by ID. Is this the main thing that which we're gonna use in JavaScript? This document file has been used in JavaScript very frequently. Here, next I've completed that. Now here we're gonna see for function calculator, calculating BMI. We have calculating function, I've created function calculating BMI. We have weight equal to weight height. We're gonna see how input dot that have been saved as a document. If weight equal to height, varchar final BMI, that weight height into height, that weight. Document BMI from dot BMI values, everything here we're gonna see. If final BMI equal to 18.5, I mean, here we're gonna see how it have to be. If it matches, if the weight everything have been increasing, that will be. If it is normal as 18.5, they have been too thin. 18.5 to 25, less than 25, that's you are healthy. And 25 and greater than 25, that's you are overweight. And greater than 30, that you are obese. Like that, have been showing here. I mean, requesting that if it will calculate and it will give the data that which we, what is the BMI of your given input of that. So you can see, please fill. Next function conversion. For this the flipping conversion from converting the values from the kilos to pounds and pounds to kilos. Here we're gonna see here the index equal to document dot get element by ID from selected index, where value present document get element that result, and where from equal to pass index, where to index equal to document dot get element by ID to the selection that which we're gonna send here. Here we're gonna use value equal to pair index. Here you can see how I've given all the values that further. Here you can see. I mean, if it is if the pound, if we give the value of kilograms and ask it to convert into pounds, it will convert with this. How it have been. I mean, you using the coin, using the flips that it will be calculation, it will be converting the value into the pounds and kilograms. Here again we're gonna see for the flipping a coin. Here for the flipping a coin, we are equal to tails, head, click. When we click, only that have to be flipped. Everything click, document get element by ID spam. Click on click function. When we toss a coin, we have to get only two results, that is head or tail. Here here we can see how it have been given as document get element by ID in a HTML array, and array have been created here. Value equal to match floor and random. We're gonna completely give the toss the coin. How many times it will get that, how many times it have been coming. Here we can see into one. Yeah, sorry, into two, that the image have been asked to come only in this way. For if you enter for two times, two times, the image have to be changed like that. Here we can see here. Else if the image have to be come in the other plus one, I mean image tails image have to be displayed here. For this we are using this code. Here we can see all this array that we have given here. Here we can see check head and check tail. Function check tail, that is how we can say how it have been to display all the how many heads have been displayed, how many tails have been coming and heads have been coming. Here we're gonna see in this. See, function image head. I mean image have been shown here. Image and function image tail, that is very image documents. Here we're gonna see how it's how gonna work now. Here we can see find the number of words. If you enter any name here, see I am entering my name. We can it will show how many letters are there. See 6 letters and largest word is 6 and smallest word also 6. Here we can see calculate the BMI. Entering weight as uh, 50, sorry 75 and height as 163. So here we are overweighted. Here it will show like that. If we enter here, we can see 66. See how it will, you are that you are healthy. I mean, it will show that if we enter the weight and height, it will show the how the person are have been healthy or in something like that. Weight conversion. Here we can see weight conversion. How to convert from pounds. 10 pounds equal pounds to kilos to pounds. Calculate. Here you can see 10 converts from 10 pounds. What is the 10 pounds value here? It's 4.53. So here we're gonna enter this. So enter the same value. Enter the kilos. Here we're gonna see 2 pounds. Sorry. I have entered some different. Okay. Here you can check from 10 kilograms to pounds. Here you can see the value that which have been appearing like this. Here it will show the value. What's the value of that? Like that. Here we can one more thing. Here we can use the reset button to everything have been gone here. Calculate one. Next, if we are coming to flipping of coin. Here, if we flip a coin, you can see perform operation perform that happen. Number of flips performed 1 and tails. The tails have been appeared here. And number of head count 0. Here we can see again tails. See you can again heads happen. Number of flips 3. Number of head count 1. Tail count 2. And again you see we have said that two times we have to perform a tail and one time it have to be performed as a head. Here we're gonna see, in this way we can see how it going to perform all this. Here we can see how many number of flips 20 and count 8 and the tail count 12. Here we're gonna using this is Java basic JavaScript that which we're gonna use doing basic calculations in HTML and creating web page. Thank you for watching the video.